All right, order of operations with and without variables. So we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, where x equals 4. I'm going to do most of these through notes. Instead, I'm just going to do a couple through the video because these are quite a few steps and it's going to take a while to do a video. So the first thing we do when we're given a value for a variable is we erase where that variable was and replace it with the value. In this case, our variable is x and our value is 4. So I'm going to rewrite the equation with the x replaced with the 4. The order of the equation does not change. I'm just erasing and replacing. So I have numbers to deal with that I can actually calculate. Okay, then I apply PEMDAS. I check, do I have anything inside of the parentheses to solve? No, I don't. I just have a 4 in each of the parentheses. Do I have exponents? Yes, I have an exponent. So let's solve the exponent. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. And I like to just do these step by step, solving one thing at a time, rewriting the whole problem nice and neat, going in order step by step. Okay, then I check after exponents, I check for multiplication and division. I don't have any division in this problem, but I do have multiplication, so I'm going to do that. 3 times 16 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I'm going to check for addition and subtraction. I'm going to do whichever one is first in order of left to right. 48 minus 8 is 40. I just slowly do this step by step, piece by piece, until finally I have just one simple step left. 40 plus 1 is 41. And I have my answer. I've evaluated this expression. Okay, here's another one. Another expression, and we've been given a value for the variable. So we have 8x to the power of 4, or 8 times x to the power of 4, minus 3x, or minus 3 times x. Remember, when a number is right next to a variable, it means to multiply, minus 7. And our value given for x is negative 1. X equals negative 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is substitute the x's for negative 1, or erase and replace. So I'm going to write 8 times negative 1 to the power of 4, minus 3 times negative 1 minus 7. And if you don't know some of these, you can always use your calculator. Just a reminder, you can go to Google, go to calculator. We're going to solve the exponent first because there's nothing inside of the parentheses to solve. So negative 1 to the power of 4 is our first step. We get 1. So rewrite the problem. 8 times 1 minus 3 times negative 1 would be negative 3 minus 7. Remember, when you have a minus a negative, those kind of cancel out and you get plus. We do have multiplication or division, so I'm going to do my multiplication before I do the addition and subtraction here. 8 times 1 is 8. Then I do my addition or subtraction in the order it is in, left to right. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 7 would be 4. Okay, you keep on plugging along, erase and replace, and then step by step using PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction, and just solve them step by step.